Hello everyone. Welcome back to All PC Geek. Stop using USB cables to mirror your phone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cast your Android phone screen to your PC wirelessly without using any cable and without installing any third-party software. Just using a built-in Windows feature. If you want to record your mobile screen for YouTube, play Android games on a bigger display, watch movies from your phone on your computer, or mirror your phone for presentations and tutorials, then this video is perfect for you. This method works on Windows 10 and Windows 11. It is completely free, and it works even on low-end PCs. I will guide you step by step, so even if you are a beginner, you will be able to connect your phone to your PC easily. Watch the video till the end so you don't miss any important step. Now let's get started. First, connect your computer to the internet. Go to Windows Settings, then open System. Scroll down and click on Projecting to this PC. Now click on Optional Features, then click View Features. Scroll down until you find Wireless Display, check the box, and click Next. Windows will now install the Wireless Display feature on your PC. Wait for it to finish. Once it is done, close the settings window. Press the Windows key and search for Wireless Display and open it. Now let's move to the next step. Make sure your PC and your Android phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your Android phone, swipe down from the top and find Cast. Press and hold it to open the Cast settings, then turn on Cast. Your phone will start searching for nearby devices. When your PC appears in the list, tap it to connect. As you can see, the phone screen is now displayed on the PC wirelessly. Casting your Android screen to your PC has many benefits. You can record your phone screen directly from your computer, play mobile games on a bigger screen, make Android tutorials easily for YouTube, control presentations from your phone, watch videos and view photos on a larger display. This method is completely wireless, so you don't need any USB cable or third-party software. That's how you can cast your Android phone screen to your PC wirelessly. If your device is not showing, make sure both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and that wireless display is installed on your PC. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching All PC Geek, and I will see you in the next video.